Hello my friends, I've got here our heater. You remember I repaired it a while ago. The ground wire came loose and I fixed that and it worked for a while, and then one day we just smelled something and the house electric strip, and I discovered some of the wires burned off inside at the back. I repaired that and it work again, and it burned it again. So somewhere is something wrong with the machine or this heater. I've ordered a new one already. So I'm going to see what I can save from this, um, and not just throw it away, but see what we can salvage or make something else of it. So let me just strip it quickly and we can talk about it. Okay, here you can see this wires burned totally off and it take fire. That was also damaged, and that one was also damaged, and I repaired it and make sure nothing touch anywhere, and this part get warm again and catch fire again. So somewhere is something not correct, either the switch or the safety switch which I doubt, or one of the elements. I see this one was loose, but this one the wire goes there to the switch and then to that safety switch, and everything is fine there. So why would this one, which was a good contact, burnt out? That's a question. So I'm going to see what I can do with it, rather to put it on the scrap. Okay guys, let's see what can I save. So firstly, the plug with a short extension came in very handy. I can definitely use that. Okay, so secondly, I will definitely keep. This is a nice gauge. I'm not sure if it's stainless steel or just chrome, but this I can definitely use on a project. I will probably throw this away. And then the grit, I can definitely use the grit. Just bend it flat for a project. I can always use that. I've got other spare grits as well that I use from time to time. I've got a nice switch that I can use, brackets, a lot of screws and nuts and so on. And then of course ceramics. I will definitely keep this spacer ceramics. Definitely I will use that at the point. There's another one somewhere roll out. Not sure 100% what to do with this ceramics. I will Google and see if we can do something with it, but probably go to scrap. Not sure. That can come in handy. And then the other thing which is very nice is the safety switch. We're going to test it now. So the heater was set up when it's on its feet, it works. So the moment it fall down, either side, doesn't matter which side, it break or lose contact. So we're going to test it quickly if that still works, and clean it up. This can come in very handy for a safety switch to something. Okay, let's strip the wires and give it a test. Okay guys, now you must check. You see the meter. I've got the contacts now both on both ends of the switch. Let me just finish here. Okay, so hopefully you can see. Let me take my hand that way. Sorry for the inconvenience there. Okay, you can see the switch is hanging and the meter Let me just confirm it doesn't hang straight. Okay, you can see there's some continuity because the weight hang straight down. So I'm going to tilt it left and it loosed contact. If you tilt it right up, it's there. If you tilt it other side, it will no contact. The same with if I tilt it forward, you can see it lose contact. And if I take it that way, it will lose contact. So in all directions, it works well. So I just need to clean it a little bit, but you can see the contact points there. I hope you can see, but this is a very nice design, and I can use this definitely for some interesting project. Okay, just to confirm that that works. Okay, let me quickly think. What can I do with the rest of the spares? Okay, my friends, I've got the idea what I want to do. It's just for fun. It might be used for a while, but it's just for fun. Because I like to think something out and do it and see how it works and then trash it or whatever. But what I'm going to do is, and you will have to wait for the next one, but I will take you along. But my plan is I'm going to straighten this up, that as well, so that it is flat with these two pieces. And then I will probably somewhere here. So this will come down more. And somewhere here it will come flat all the way and then up. So this will be flat. So you understand what I mean? It will be similar, the one side to the other side, with about, say, 3 inches lifted in the one side and the other side the same. This will become flat and lay down, and then this will be straightened up, and that will sit there, and the other side, if it is now straight, it will sit in that position there. Okay, and then it will become with a kind of legs, maybe something out of the ceramics. Make myself 4 legs, and this will become a mini braaier or a barbecue, because it's only me and my son and my wife, and it will take easy nice 3 nice sausages, or a couple of chops, or chicken, pieces of chicken or something, just for the sake of it. Nothing serious, just a project, nice project, and see how it hold on. I was once very surprised. I bought on holiday a very cheap barbecue in a box at a cafe. It was really cheap, and I thought if it will only last for the duration of the holiday, which was 2 weeks, it's fine. It's cost effective enough. And you won't believe me, at the end of the holiday, I feel sorry to throw it away because it's still nice. And that braai or barbecue lasts for another year. So you don't want to underestimate how long it can last. Especially this piece seems like a very good quality type of material that is there, and this gauge is not so thin as well. So let's make a nice barbecue out of it and test it. That's the big thing. Okay, Jane, see you on the next one, and hope you enjoyed it, and will enjoy the barbecue with my new homemade little barbecue. Cheers hoor, bye bye.